Hey guys, this is my new build. This is my twin engine cargo plane. The specs, the wingspan is 54 inches. The fuselage is 39 inches tip to tip. I'm running 1200 kV Park 450s with a 8x6 prop. They counter rotation. I have differential thrust on it. I ran vent channels. ESC is on that side. The other ESC is on this side here. I'm in the process of making little parachutes for these balls here. I ran me a little access panel underneath here. Just put a safety latch, but it's hooked on through magnets. And you can see my electronics and stuff there. This is the battery compartment. Same thing there. Flaps. Cargo bay. Differential thrust. Alright, well, that's a quick little introduction. I have a few planes I need to maiden for 2016, so just trying to spit them all out and then go to the air park and get maiden flights on all of them. Alright, thanks for watching.